see that moving. Let me put the headlights on. No, I don't see the amp gauge moving. And I'm going to guess it hasn't been disconnected, possibly for 58 years. But I'm going to pull this apart, hopefully without doing any damage. And those pins don't look bad. They're not really that oxidized, but I'm going to clean them. While working on the temperature gauge problem, I accidentally fixed the ammeter problem. Spray it in there. I'm spraying it on good old-fashioned pipe cleaner here. I'm going to run the pipe cleaner in and out of these sockets. All I did was clean that connector. That fixed the amp gauge too.